Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is a lot shorter than what I usually post, and that is because the month of August has been super busy for us, y'all. We have had events just about every weekend, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to record as what I usually do, but I wanted to bring you guys a video anyway because I am all about consistency on this channel, and you guys show up for me every single week, and I wanted to do the same thing for y'all. So in today's video, I will be organizing the two cabinets that are on either side of my stove that house our excess seasonings and other items, and then I'll be sharing with you guys a very quick recipe. So if you need to get either of those things done in your home on today, go ahead and take me along with you because this is our time to get it all done together.
And it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping, move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping, move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah. Dance with me. The music is making me so dizzy. I need to give in to the strong rhythm, 'cause I'm beginning to break free. Be with me. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Be with me. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Round and around, yeah. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around, round and around. Yeah.
So excuse this hand wave that you guys are about to see. That is my orange pepper seasoning that got damaged in one of my Instacart orders. It's not leaking or anything, so I was like, you know what? It'll be fine. So anyway, I'm going to carry on with the organizing. So if you guys are new here, I want to welcome you to all of the many new subscribers that I gained since my last video. Welcome to my channel. My name is T, and the majority of the content that you'll be seeing here will be extreme cleaning motivation. You'll also see organizing, a little bit of cooking, a little bit of shopping, home decor, home improvement projects, DIY projects like you guys saw last week, and any other type of home related content that my husband and I can think of, we will be posting it over here on this channel. So if any of that type of content interests you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a brand new video. And I also want to say, hey, to all of my returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much for the support that you give myself and also my husband when he's in my videos over here on my channel. We have just reached 50,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I am so excited. I love making these videos for you guys and bringing them to you every single week. So once again, thank you guys so much for the support that you give us here on my channel. So I would like to give you guys some type of appreciation. I want to do a giveaway. This is also my birthday month. September is. So I want to show my appreciation to you guys. So I will be giving away $50 in cash to 2 of my subscribers. So to enter, all I need you to do is to get down in the comment section and just tell me what you like about my channel, what you enjoy about my channel, what brought you to my channel. Or if you do not want to answer any of those questions, you can just leave a general comment that pertains to this video. All comments will be entered into the automated generator that I will use to choose my winners. So I will announce the 2 winners on next week, and you must have either PayPal or Cash App. So before I jump back into the music of today's video, on behalf of my husband and myself, we want to thank you guys for the love and support and everything that you guys showed us on my last video from last week. Oh my goodness, y'all, those comments, and I am still working through those many comments because there's so many of them, but I will get to each one of you. The comments were very touching, y'all, very touching, because we work hard on any project that we, attempt to do around our home. And that was my husband's summer project, and the rain and everything else held him up. But he really pushed through and he got it done, and it turned out so great. So once again, thank you guys so much for the love that you showed us. And just in case you missed last week's video, it will be linked down in the description box, as well as our home improvement and DIY project playlist, so you can see all of the projects that my husband has done around our home. You can check that out in the description box as well.
I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the 2 of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away, maybe for the better. So tell me something true. Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had, will you miss my love? Will you miss me and my love, my love, my love? When I see you again, I wanna show you how I loved you. You were my one true friend. missing your love. I'm still missing you and your love, your love, your love. Oh baby, I'm still missing you. Still missing you, missing you.
All right, y'all, so we are a little over halfway through this week's video. If you are still here, either enjoying the video or getting some organization done of your own in your home, go ahead and leave me down a pink heart emoji in the comment section so that I know that you are still here. All right, y'all, so for dinner, I am going to prep a Boston butt or pulled pork. So what I usually do, I usually season it up. This one is pretty sizable and it will not fit in my crock pot that well. So what I usually do is just put it in a glass dish like this and I wrap it really tightly with foil. You can use whatever pan or whatever you want, but this works perfectly fine for me. And for seasonings, I just have garlic powder, some meat tenderizer. That's the garlic powder, meat tenderizer, unseasoned, so I can use as much of that as I want, and then my Lawry's, and then onion powder. I usually keep it really simple. Make this all the time. I actually have been craving this for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and get it prepped up and put it in the oven. And I usually just wrap it really tight with foil. So I usually bake this on 200 degrees for about 6 hours or until it reaches my desired tenderness. And so I just put this in the oven and I went on and did some other things this particular day. And when I took it out, I just let it sit for maybe about 20 minutes before I uncovered it. And I'm just using a pair of tongs to pull this meat out of the pan. And as you guys can see, it is really tender. Very easy to make, especially if you are short on time and you just don't have time to really watch a stove. Just pop this in your crock pot or your oven and just go ahead and do some other things and come back to it. So here I am using 2 of my serving forks to shred the meat up just a little bit finer. So here I am just going to prepare a quick coleslaw using a bag of coleslaw mix that I had on hand. And I also had the dressing on hand as well. To this mix, I added in some extra carrots, the chopstick carrots, and then some seasonings. So here are the buns that I chose for the barbecue sandwiches. And here's a look at the barbecue sauce that I chose. I also added in some pickled red onions onto the sandwich. So that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I also hope that it gave you the motivation to get some organization done in your home. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will see you all in the next one.